On message race a Smokie back again. Me and me representing all this after flame. Me come from Gulu and I Gulu.
When you talk about music in Uganda, you cannot talk without mentioning the word Smokie. When you talk about music in northern Uganda, you cannot talk without saying Smokie Allan. And now, when you talk about reggae music, the only person who will come first to my mind is a Smokie Allan. And that's why when you talk about legends and music artists, you can't talk about music legends without including Smokie Allan. And that's why it justifies this video. Welcome to Duo Folklore, welcome to Duo Hall of Fame, where we present to you recognition, great achievers of the Duo. And here we have Smokie Allan. Smokie Allan is a reggae music artist from Baruli City. He's born of Acholi tribe. And currently, Smokie is well known across all parts of the country in northern Uganda. Now, go deep. The most noticeable tracks by Smokie Allan include No Cry, songs like Nguvu, songs like Wengraj. Smokie Allan was well known for partnering with Mixed Tone in the time of After Flame in partnership with Acholi Caps. They were two good friends before Mixed Tone died. Even on his burial, Smokie Allan cried the whole day. It was full of emotion. I was there personally. He was buried in La Road Division near Gulu University. Now, one thing you need to know about Smokie Allan is he is a Rasta man. Just like it is said, you don't have to make dreads or you don't have to smoke to be a Rasta. Smokie Allan is a Rasta man who speaks straight, who speaks truth. There was a time when Smokie Man took to the media to complain about DJs and radio presenters who always play the songs of Bantu, yet Bantu never plays the songs of the Luo people. He complained to them, and a lot of crowds accepted and also appreciated his call and campaign against those people. Now, one thing you need to know about the recently Reggae Award winner of Noma last year is Smokie Allan is a very good person, very jolly, and a very hospitable person.
Smokie Allan, real name's Odoc Allan Filberts, is a reggae dancehall musician based in Kampala, Uganda. His style of music is commonly known as Luo Flow, a blend of Luo language mixed with English and patios from Jamaica. Smokie Allan started singing at the age of 14 years old, at the time being the youngest member of Kids of Nature, a very popular music group from northern Uganda in the late 90s and early 2000. Smokie Allan rose to fame in the year 2005 after releasing his first recorded songs, which became major hits on most FM radio stations in and outside Uganda. From then he has managed to build his brand name all over East Africa as the Northern Uganda Dancehall King. He has remained uncontested as the best reggae artist Northern Uganda from the year 2006 to 2018, him winning several other awards in different categories, including a Euro, being crowned a legendary artist in 2017. Smokie Allan opened the Euro first modern music recording studio in northern Uganda called After Flames Records in the year 2010, which was able to improve on music quality and promote many talented youths from the region who have become very famous musicians today.
Another thing I would like to tell you about my personal experience. When I was at school, I always felt like one day appreciate this, like the mix, like Smokie, and all other artists, all the words, wish to appreciate them before going to their shows. But unfortunately, each died before their chance. Now Smokie Allan, time came when he came to Batoro Council. There I played for the show. But unfortunately, the show lapsed due to some community conflict. I was very sad and I wish Smokie Allan would come again or he would travel somewhere when he is holding the show and attend the show. Now Smokie Allan is a reggae genius. Let me talk about one of his most recent songs, which is called Energy.
Listen carefully. Yo, they say, I don't need no Google that yeah. I don't need no Google that yeah. And so I don't need the Google now pay. Oh, I need the Google now pay.
The song he was saying, he has no energy. If he had energy, he would have dealt with bad leaders. He was meaning that leaders who come lie to the people that they want to us. But when they go to elected positions, they turn against the people, they do the opposite of what they have promised. Where he was saying, there's no energy. That song alone is a reflection of what the entire people in Northern Uganda go through. No medicine, hardship in hospital bills, hardship in accessing due to poverty, extreme violence and conflict, 20 years of war. That sounds a lot in Northern Uganda. Now, that song has not eaten the hell with due to political reasons, but on radios, on YouTube, Facebook, and other websites, the song is trending. Many people like it. And this brings me and reminds me to one thing that Smokie wanted to do this Facebook. He only promotes his song via the modern media, but not the traditional media. Because it is far much better than mainstream media, which is really segregated by most presenters. Many presenters, according to Smokie Allan, segregate the industry. Thank you.
Listen carefully. Yo, they say, I don't need no Google that yeah. I don't need no Google that yeah. And so I don't need the Google now pay. Oh, I need the Google now pay. Piana came on the Uruku. Piana came on the Uruku. Piana came on the Uruku. Piana came on the listen.